Ewan feeding Samantha. So, giving her a stroke. Hugo trying to give steal Samantha's food. So what kind of sheep, Samantha, you? What about Hugo? Is he a Suffolk? And do you know what Stompy is? No. Alright. What's he name? Tractor. Yeah, I think that'll be the manure in the field. So it keeps the grass field fresh for the animals. Helps the grass grow. Ewan having a good time feeding the sheep. There's Hugo at the back. Hey Hugo! Hey buddy! This is Hugo. He's 13 years old. And he's a big sook, aren't you? Yeah. He's another one of John and Faye's pet sheep, isn't he? Yeah. You and you give him a good cuddle. Samantha with the broken leg. She's in our wee makeshift cast. And Stompy.